Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit history with Experian Boost, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your credit history with Experian Boost, start by visiting the Experian website. Once there, create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, select the option for Experian Boost. You'll be prompted to connect your bank account. Choose the bank where your checking or savings account is held. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your bank account to Experian. Once linked, Experian will analyze your bank transactions for eligible payments. Look for recurring payments like utility bills, telecom bills, or any other service accounts. Confirm the payments you want to include in your credit history upgrade. Once you've selected the payments, review the information for accuracy. Submit your agreement to add these payments to your credit report. Experian will process your request and update your credit history. Check back within a few days to see the changes reflected in your credit score. After the upgrade, monitor your score to see improvements over time. Ensure your bank account stays connected for future updates. Be aware that Experian Boost only affects your Experian credit score. Regularly check your credit report for any discrepancies. Stay diligent in managing your payments to maintain a healthy credit history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.